Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of this video series. In the previous video we just learned why do we need a trading system template, a trading plan and a trading strategy, and we just saw how the position simulator inside our trading system template was working. Now we are going to move these positions to the running position tab, so we can see all our running position or current position actually running and pending. And then when it's closed, we're gonna move them into the close position tab. Alright, so let's see how this tab works. So this tab works with a small table here, when you can see the date of execution, the pair of the trade, the entry price, the amount of coins you bought, the use balance for the trade, the leverage, the stop loss and the target. It will calculate the risk and the percentage of the account risk in that trade. Here you have a little panel where you can enter your chart and some notes, so you can see why you actually enter this trade in case you forgot it. So here I can just check this trading ID. So it's not really accurate, but it's just to show you the example. I can track it back whenever I want. So let's try one. I will just go to one chart. I will just take one example here. So I just take ADA. Make an example. It's just for the record. It's not actually a trading advice, a financial advice, or an ID. I won't be too optimistic on this one. I will just set a target here. So what do we have here? We have a long open at 500 satoshis, targeting 591 satoshis with a stop loss below 470. So we're just going to enter this information in our trade. So today is 19 April. The pair is AD BTC. Entry price was 0.0000500. The amount is what we are going to calculate in the position simulator. So let's figure it out. Here, entry price is 5. Stop price is 70. Exit price is this. So here we have a risk amount of 0.5, which is too low. So I'm going to raise this amount by 5 times. So I'm going to risk 2.5% of my current capital, which is 5.9 BTC. The allocate size of this trade is 0.5 BTC, which is correct. I will just go to the position tab and put 500,000. The use balance, I'm going to copy everything. Alright. So here you can see I'm risking 0.15 BTC on this trade, and it's considered like 2.5% of my overall account, which is under my risk management, so it's okay. So here I'm going to save this tab. I'm going to copy the link, put it here, and I'm going to write my ID. So my ID is to continuate the uptrend. Okay, this is just an example. Don't take it as a financial advice. It's really terrible. It's improvisation here. So here you can see that it was filled automatically, but if I take a BTC USD pair, it's going to mess up. You're going to mess up with the number. So actually, if I just copy this trade, I'm going to show it for you. So it's a long, about 25,000 contracts at the entry price of $7,157, and the stop loss and the target, you can see them here. So I'm going to paste it. I'm even going to show you how to short. So here I will put the amount here, and I will just, for the entry, I will just set target is 608 and stop loss was here. Okay, so you're seeing here that the numbers are quite inaccurate. So what you need to do is to go to the position simulator, calculate everything and copy paste it here. So what I'm going to do right now is to do it. I'm going to do it quick so you don't have to wait. And the amount. All right. So the risk reward ratio is not really good, but it's just for the record. Here I'm going to take this here and paste it on this cell. And it's going to calculate automatically the percentage of account that is risked in this trade. Then I'm going to paste the chart and the notes. Alright. So I'm going to delete this ID just to show you, and we'll assume that this position is closed and has touched the final target at 591 satoshis. So what we need to do is to convert this line into the close position tab. So I will show you first the close position tab, how it works. So it's basically like the running position tab, but you have the results of this trade, and you can write notes after the trade, not the same note that in the running tab. So what I'm going to do is here take this close position up. Let's write it down. All right. So entry price is here. Amount is here. And exit price is the target. And you can write here loss or win. So here it's a winning position. I'm going to write win. This section is not automatic, so you will need to manually calculate your profits. The reason why is because we cannot automatically calculate the market fees for you. So you need to include it. It's really important because sometimes the market fees are higher than expected. It's actually quite interesting to analyze after, to measure, because if your risk reward is reduced too much because of market fees, you might consider to take another exchange. So here I'm going to paste this. No, this is not the risk. I'm going to paste the profits we did here, just for the record, and I will subtract just a few things to simulate the fees. Let's take that as an example. And here you have a little calculator to calculate the percentage profits of your current balance that this made you. So you have to fill in this box, and you see it's 7%. So it's actually a really good trade. Really great. And now you can say whatever goes through your mind. So here you have a little panel where you can see your ratio win-loss, which is 4 here, because we have 4 win, 1 loss. Quite easy to calculate. You can see the total BTC earned profits. So here it can be negative. If all the profits are negative, it will be negative, and the percentage made of your overall account since the starting date. We have a little row here, which is the drawdown. So if you don't know what a drawdown is, it's the maximal amount you are losing in one session straight. So if here we have 1 losing trade, 2 losing trade, 3 losing trade, it will be the sum of these 3 ones, and it will be here. So let's say, for example, that I lost 5% here, 5% here, 5% here. It will be an actual drawdown of 15%. And it happens that sometimes you will lose multiple trades in a row, and why not 10? And if you lose 10 trades in a row at 5% loss, it will display you minus 50% of loss. And that's huge. And if this number is not is higher than what you expect, then you might want to revise your trading plan. So it's quite important to track this number. You don't want to see it more than 20%. So we have a last tab for this session, which is the results of each month. So here you have the starting date is 16 April, just for the example, and every month you will have to enter this data, which has been generated randomly here, just for the example. And writing this data will generate a chart here, which is the capital evolution. So the orange line is the USD evolution of your account, and the blue line is the BTC evolution of your account. Then you can see the start balance and the end balance with the percentage profits in BTC and USD. And here you have a little graph, a chart, to see the winning trades compared to the losing trades. Alright, so we did everything for this session. In the next video we'll study the trading strategy and the trading plan, and we won't forget to show you disclaimers because of the risks included in the cryptocurrency trading. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.